Scientists study earthquakes using lots of different tools. One of the most important is the seismograph. So, how do I explain what a seismograph is? Well, let's start with pizza and football. It's game night for the Boise State University football team. And the area around the stadium is filled with tailgaters. For these fans, it's all about the pizza, the football, and the science. For several years, the Boise State Geosciences Department has tracked how BSU fans shake the ground during a game.
What we're observing here is effectively the same thing that we observe when we record normal earthquakes. There's a source that pushes on the ground, and then that energy has to travel through the ground in the form of seismic waves.
Johnson uses these tailgating lab sessions to show students how seismographs work.
So basically what happens is anytime the earth shakes, the seismometer can potentially pick it up. It converts ground motions into small voltages that travel along the coil. You can see this coil of copper wire right here.
Yep.
It induces a current in that coil because there's a magnet inside that is suspended upon a spring. When the ground moves, that magnet goes up and down, causes a current, comes out this wire right here, and we measure that as a voltage.
Okay.
And that goes directly into our computer. Right now, we're listening to earthquakes from Bronco Stadium, right?
Yeah.
Now, Bronco Stadium is producing tiny little earthquakes as people are cheering on the football team.
Okay.
But because we're so close to the source of those micro earthquakes, they show up on our monitor. I can see it right there. That's the crowd getting all excited about kickoff. There's the start. Everyone's roaring. They're shaking the stadium, and we're getting those seismic waves. Whoa, there we go. Right there, there's some activity from the Boise State Broncos fans. This is a non-conventional study. Usually we use seismometers to record real earthquakes, and we're listening to human earthquakes.
And what did the data tell these scientists? Something similar to what they've learned in past years.
A study that was done in 2009 actually observed the level of seismic noise decreased over the course of the football game. The first half was a lot more energetic. Maybe people were less tired. In the second half, perhaps people were tired or even left the stadium.
Johnson says the study also shows that there's more than one kind of earthquake.
But you can get a traditional earthquake, such as fault rupturing rock. That's what we call a tectonic earthquake. You can get an earthquake from a volcano erupting, or from a landslide. Or in this case, we have little earthquakes produced by people who are yelling and screaming and stomping their feet.
If you want to see where all the earthquakes in the world are happening, check out the United States Geological Survey map on its website. You'll find it at earthquakes.usgs.gov/earthquakes/map. If you want to learn more, head to the Science Trek website. You'll find facts, links, games, material for educators and parents, and much more. You'll find it all at sciencetrek.org.